Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Malapascua Budget Inn dito sa Malapascua Island. So nandito ako ngayon sa labas ng resort guys. Ito po yung itsura. This is the little kalsada dito guys. Ito po yung itsura. And then Malapascua Budget Inn po. Dito na siya. Ito po yung entrance. This is their gate. At may maliit na ATM machine dito. At meron mga habal-habal drivers dito naka-standby na. Kung gusto nyo mag-transport or go around the island. And this is the gate. This is the first thing that you will see guys kung papasok kayo sa Malapascua Budget Inn. This is their main lobby. Pwede po kayo dito mag-karaoke, mag-jamming sa other guests. And also they have lockers as well. At maliit na mga pillows para makapagtambay kayo dito. They also have tables. Diyan. Dito yung mga kasama ko ngayon. They're gonna dine in here. Hi Joms!
So,
Nag-merienda daw. Wow. Yan. We're having cup noodles po.
yeah, na-proud ko ani ay kaya wala nang isip.
Sige Joms, enjoy ka dyan. Dito po pala yung reception area guys. So dito po kayo mag-check-in. They also have a bell. Wow. Before you go here guys, dapat mag-reserve na kayo ng room niyo dito. So yung room na na-reserve namin is only for 2,000 pesos per night. I'm going to show you the room kasi malapit lang dito. Let's go. This is their menu. So meron sila mga available na mga alcohol drinks or colas or sodas. At may mga writings din dito guys. So, ito yung mga guests na bumisita dito. They leave their sayings or their messages. At meron silang libreng tubig dito guys. Kung meron kayong water bottles, you can just refill it all day long as long as you're checked in here. So, good vibes, chill, fun, vibrant, happy, dive, social. And ito na po mga signs and my Instagram na photo booth. Pwede kayo mag-picture dyan. Ngayon papuntahan natin yung mga rooms. Dito na tayo sa labas, hindi tayo makapasok kasi hindi ako nag-coordinate sa mga staff. So sa labas ko lang ipakita sa inyo, pero yung room namin ipakita ko sa inyo guys. So tara, these are one of the rooms. Sorry hindi tayo makapasok sa loob. This is another way going to the other two rooms. Yan. At aircon na din siya guys. At meron sila mga trash bin. At dito po, this is the end of the road. So balik tayo. Meron din pala sila mga halayan dito guys. So you can hang your clothes kung gusto niyo ipa-dry.
Give me a word.
Ito po banda, they have their CRs or comfort rooms. Ito po yung tsura ng comfort room nila po. Yan. So meron silang faucet, hot and cold shower. At yung tubig guys, malakas talaga yung agos. Powerful na powerful. And this is their toilet. At merong dalawang trash bins. Meron silang 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bathrooms guys. Pwede din kayo dyan maligo at mag-CR. Dito po banda, dito po yung room namin. So let's open it. Para makita nyo din kung ano yung tsura ng room namin. Yan. Ito Ito yung sura ng room namin. So, meron kaming dalawang bed sa taas at sa baba. Meron silang pillow. They have the blanket. Yung towel nila guys, it doesn't come with the room. You have to pay 50 pesos per towel po kung gusto nyo maghiram ng towel dito sa resort. On the side guys, sarapan ng bunk beds po, meron silang isang queen size bed. This is good for 2 people. So may dalawang pillows at dalawang blankets. At meron pa siyang isang blanket pa additional that comes with it. At kung ayaw nyo makita yung kasama nyo guys and you want total darkness, they also have this one, the curtains. So ito po. Yan. At ito na po yung electric fan nila, yung fan, and as well as the aircon. At meron mga sockets dito guys. On every bed, there's a socket good for 2. Pwede kayo magdala ng extension wire para madaming ma-charge na cellphone at mga gadgets nyo. Ito po banda may dalawang sockets din at may light. And as well as dun sa taas, may light din at may dalawang sockets. Yung nasa harap ng room namin guys, these are other rooms too. So meron dito room for 5. And room for, hindi ko makita na, 7 people. At may room din doon, 1, 2, 3. At punta natin yung other side of the resort. So may mga rooms din dito guys. So may 1, 2, 3 rooms. At may faucet din dito guys. Washing area and soap. Yan po. At may mirror din sila. And this is another bathroom. Yan. Ito po yung sura ng shower room nila guys. So they have the faucet. Yan. Dapat ko lagyan yung agas ng tubig. I like it. At meron silang shower. They have the cold and hot water. So ito po yung sura ng shower room nila. Yan. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total of 10 shower rooms. I-off na natin yung lights. Pumuntahan natin yung rooftop nila. Kasi kahapon, pumunta ako dito. I was meeting up with Cristel at the rooftop. May nakita akong mga rooms din dito. So ito pa yung tsura. There's another room here. So I don't know kung ilang people ma-accommodate dyan. At dyan din. So may room din doon banda. 1, 2, 3. Ayun guys, ipakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng rooftop nila. So ito na po. So this is the rooftop. So they have table and chairs or sofas here. Yan. At may open na space dito. So pwede kayo dito magtambay. Or if you're working from home, you can definitely dial here or work here. So meron silang mga stations din dito. At may minibar din sila. At may mic pa, wow. May stereo. At I think it's a CR bathroom over there. I'm not really sure. So ito na pa yung itsura ng rooftop nila guys. And this is my view from up here. Yan. Ito na po yung end ng tour natin dito sa Malapascua Budget Inn. I hope you enjoyed it. Super boring talaga ako kasi ako lang mag-isa nag-tour dito. Yung kasama ko kumakain pa. So they're actually sipping on hot noodles. So enjoy nyo yan. But for the meantime, I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you all for watching this video. This is another resort tour. Kung meron kayong mga resort or rooms that you want me to explore or places you want me to explore, just comment down below and don't forget to share this video if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe then. So see you on the next video guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day and stay safe. Bye.